Hi guys, and now, next we go to animate the outer layers of the logo, the blue part and the white part that we see. We want the blue part to go up from the bottom and at the same time the white part to come down from the top. To do this, we use the mask technique. First of all, select the layer, then draw a shape. From rectangle tool section, as you can see, a mask was created on the layer tree. Select top layer and press U to show the keyframes. From where the ball is fired, from here, insert the keyframe for the mask path. A little further, for example, here, the shape we pictured, we actually enlarge the same mask to cover and show the whole layer. Select the keyframe, press F9 to ease the ease, play to see how it goes. Increase the time a bit, put keyframe a little forward. If you feel a jump in this part occurs, it is only necessary that from composition, select composition settings, and here increase the frame rate, for example 60. Now we see how it turns out, and it starts to animate much more smoothly. We just need to set the frame rate to 60 for the main comp in the same way. Next, we make a mask for the layer that was white. Select the layer and select rectangle tool from shape. We draw a shape like this. To the layer where the mask was formed, open the mask and select mask path and set the keyframe exactly where we set it for the top layer and at the end of the top layer motion. We also enlarge this mask path layer to cover the entire layer like this. Select keyframe, press F9 ease and play it, see how it goes. Now we will rename the name of these two layers to blue and white. Then play it and see how it goes.